Welcome back to the show. Well, road trips are a great way to get out and explore this summer, and while it's certainly fun to make unexpected stops at roadside attractions, the last thing you want to do is make an unexpected stop because of a problem with your very own vehicle. Oh, that would be awful. But joining us now with some helpful tips on what travelers need to know before hitting the road is ASE certified mechanic Audra Fordin. Good morning, Audra. Nice to see you.
Hey, good morning, Noah. Thanks so much for having me. I'm super excited to be joining you here from the Haviland Express Lube in Charlotte, North Carolina.
Yes, not far from me. I'm over here in Augusta, Georgia, and I love Charlotte, North Carolina. It's the best place to go.
Yeah, we're like neighbors.
That's right, Audra. Now, first off, what are some things drivers should be doing before heading out on their next road trip this summer?
Yeah, I got 3 great tips for you. First is headlights. To polish them, right? It's an easy DIY, do-it-yourselfer. If the headlights get oxidized from the sun, it forms like a cataract over the headlight itself. And you can easily use a headlight restoration kit and polish that off yourself. It's great for your muscles and elbow grease, and a great way to make sure that you have great visibility coming through the lights. You can get it at any auto parts store. Another tip is to check your tires, because the tires, like your shoes on your feet, are your car's first line of defense. So if you have in the sidewall any tears, cracks, or bulges, well, then immediately you want to replace those tires, because that's how blowouts happen. Also, tires only last like 3 to 5 years. So if your tire falls within that lifespan, you definitely want to have it replaced, because again, they only have a short lifespan. One more tip, I guess, as an auto shop owner and a mechanic, I have people who come into my shop all the time, and they're like, oh, can you get my car a quick once over? Actually, no. You're going on a road trip. You want to make sure that everything is safe for your car. So you want to check your battery, you want to check your belts, you want to check your hoses, things that'll make you break down. You want to check your filters, your tires, and of course, check your fluids. That way you can ensure you have a great, safe trip.
Those were such great tips that you shared, but do you have any other tips or advice to help us get the most out of our cars?
Yeah, well, if you want to talk about fluids, right, my favorite, if you're due for an oil change, well, then definitely change your oil. If you're not sure, another DIY is you can take a look, take out the dipstick, and see if the oil color is golden or not. Then you're due for an oil change, and the level on the dipstick as well. If the level is not up to the maximum line, again, you need to change your oil. For me, I like to use the Haviland Lifelong, because it is good for your vehicle no matter what age or stage it's in. It gives you this outstanding performance, whether you have a new car or you have like hundreds of thousands of miles on it. And it comes in the recyclable smart change packaging, which is super cool. It's super smart because it reduces plastic waste 70% compared to quart bottles. I also recommend the Haviland Pro RS, which is a renewable full synthetic top-tier motor oil, which is it's made out of 25% plant-based oils, meaning it's good for the environment, it's good for your wallet, and it's good for your vehicle. So even if you do not change your own oil, you can still feel good about buying this product, right, and bringing it with you to your auto shop to put it into your car. And my customers do it all the time.
Now, Audra, this is really important. How can we enjoy our summer road trips without breaking the bank on gas? Because we're all looking for ways to save money on gas because the gas continues to rise with inflation. It's awful.
Yeah, I'm so glad you asked, because I have a really great tip for you here. There is a Chevron Complete Fuel System Cleaner. This additive will clean and protect your entire fuel system, save you money with every single pour, and another DIY. It's so easy to do. All you have to do is put the product into your gas tank, and it's, what do you say, save more with every pour. Because once it's in, it's actually cleaning and protecting your entire fuel system.
Audra, I don't know what's going on in the background, but I am so entertained by this with these kids.
But here we are live from the Haviland Express Lube in Charlotte.
I was like, they are playing with each other, and one has a Mickey shirt on. I love Mickey Mouse now, so, oh my gosh, it's hilarious.
It's so cute.
Audra, tell us where, oh, now they're moving. Bye-bye, guys. Bye, everyone, No, Audra, tell us where can we go for live TV for you, everyone. Tell us, where can we go for more information?
Yep, online. You could go to Haviland, Haviland.com, TechronClean.com, so Walmart.com, and then select Walmart stores, and you're going to look up for that Haviland and Techron products.
Audra Fordin, so nice to meet you. So nice to have you on the show. Thank you so much for your time. I must get to Charlotte, North Carolina here soon. It's so lovely over there.
Beautiful. Enjoy your beautiful day. Enjoy road tripping this summer. And thank you so much for having us.
Hey, my name's Jackson, and I'm the founder of Tuft and Paw. We are a company that makes modern products for cat people. And June is a very important month for us because it's National Adopt a Pet Month. And there's a major influx of cats that are looking for homes, and typically adoption rates come down. So at Tuft and Paw, what we do is we make modern products, and the way that we're trying to support this initiative is by spreading awareness, as well as we're donating a bag of our new cat litter for every single sale that's made in June. And what makes this cat litter so special, at first, I thought it was because it disintegrates in water, so you can flush it right down the toilet, completely safe. It fully breaks down, so it's safe to flush. But what we found out from customers is actually the main feature is that it doesn't get stuck. The shape of the pellets doesn't get stuck in your cat's toe beans, so it doesn't get carried around your house and you're not stepping on sand all the time. So for the month of June at Tuft and Paw, we're doing $60 off our litter box that has high walls and keeps the mess inside, and we're doing 30% off cat litter. You can visit tuftandpaw.com/adopt, and every single sale that we make, a bag of cat litter will be going to a shelter in need to support Adopt a Cat Month.
Hey, it's Noah, and I have some great news for you. We're now streaming on Fossum. The Must Watch Show is a weekly lifestyle series that shares informative information to help the viewer live an easier and better lifestyle with some of today's hottest deals and finds, along with interviews and fashion and the arts. I'll see you guys on Fossum because they're awesome.